Hi boys and girls. In this video, I am going to be explaining this words with long I page for you. I'll go through each of the sets of directions and explain what you need to do, and then you'll be able to take some time to finish it up on your own. Okay? So obviously the first thing we do is always the same. You take out a pencil and write your name. So at the top, you should put your name and number first thing. All right. In this first box, the directions say find and color the words with IGH. Remember, IGH was one of those long I spelling patterns that when we see it, we don't say IGA, we say I. So you're going to take any color you want. You can use more than one color. You could use just, a crayon, a marker. You can even just shade it with a pencil. You decide. It's your choice. All of the words here that have that IGH in them. So for example, what does not, where'd I go? What does not have IGH, so you'll leave it alone. Bright has that IGH right in the middle, so you will color that box and you'll go through and read all the words. Chop, sigh, high, and I know that you can read these words. Just remember, don't read these igahut. Read it night. Saw, right. And as you go through and read them, if you see the IGH, color it. If you don't see that IGHI, leave it alone. When you get down to this next box, in this box, we are working on the IE long I. Words like pie and tie. So you're just going to go through each of these and put in the IE and then try to read the word. So if you add IE here, you'd have pie. If you put IE here, you'd have dried. If you put IE here, you'll have skies. So go through and put in your IE for all of the ones in this box and then try to read what words you make, okay? When you get down to this box, you are finding and circling words with the long I spelled Y. So any of the words that you see here that have the I spelled with a Y, circle them. If you see the I spelled a different way, or if you see a word that doesn't have a long I, leave it alone. Then at the very bottom box, you're going to be doing all three, IGH, IE, and Y. So up here, the first box, we looked for all the IGH I's. In the second box, you look for all the IE I's. In the third box, you look for all the Y I's. And then down here, you're going to write 3 complete sentences. Remember, complete sentence, uppercase letter, finger spaces, end mark. It has to make sense. And all the letters in the middle have to be lowercase. So make sure it's a complete sentence. Choose a word with IGH, IE, and Y, and then write each word in a sentence below. So you're going to pick an IGH word from up here and write it for sentence 1. You'll pick an IE word from in here, and you'll make up a sentence for sentence 2. And then you'll pick a Y word from here, and you'll write a sentence here. Okay? So I think that's pretty straightforward and easy. If you do have questions, reach out to me. If not, get this done, take a picture of it, upload it to Class Dojo, and I will get you some points. Bye, boys and girls.